How I made $500 at home 2025 passive income. Imagine making $500 while relaxing at home, even while you're sleeping. Sounds crazy, right? But I did it, and today, I'll show you exactly how I made $500 in passive income without leaving my house. Hey guys, welcome back to Norby Pole TV. I'm Norby, and if you're new here, I talk all about side hustles, online income, and financial freedom. In this video, I'll break down how I earned $500 passively, the exact platforms I used, and how you can do it too, even if you're just starting out. Watch this video till the end, but please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more video like this. Let's dive in. Step 1. The passive income stream I used. The method I used is affiliate marketing. Simply put, I promoted digital products and tools I already use, and I got paid every time someone bought through my link, even days or weeks later. Step 2. The platform I used. I used 2 free platforms to do this. YouTube Shorts. I created short 30-second videos giving tips and recommending tools. Pinterest. I posted images linking to my affiliate product. No need to show your face, just good info and a helpful link. Step 3. The product I promoted. The main product I promoted was a digital tool like Canva Pro, Skillshare, or a writing assistant like Grammarly. These pay recurring commissions. For example, I shared a video like, "This tool helped me make better designs in 5 minutes. Try it free." Then I added my link in the bio or pin. Step 4. How it became passive. Here's the trick. Once my content was up, it kept getting views even when I was offline. That's why I call it passive. One of my Pinterest pins went semi-viral and brought in over 300 clicks. A few of them converted, and boom, $500 in commissions within weeks. Tips for you to start. 1. Choose a tool you use and love. 2. Sign up for its affiliate program. Many are free. 3. Create simple, helpful content, no fancy equipment needed. 4. Be consistent for 7 to 30 days and track your links. Finally, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what passive income method are you trying this year? Thank you.